In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up for meetings on Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple tasks and trying to organize a meeting, you'll know how important a streamlined system can be. Let's walk through the process together so you can make the most of this powerful tool. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed straight to your workspace. Now, here's where the magic happens. To effectively prepare for your meetings, it's wise to create a dedicated board. This is where Monday.com truly shines, giving you the ability to manage agendas, action items, and meeting notes all in one convenient place. To start, glance over to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a plus sign button. Go ahead and give it a click, then select Boards. You've got the choice to start with a brand new template. And while building from scratch is always an option, using existing templates like the meeting agenda can really save you a lot of time and effort. Simply type Meeting Agenda into the search box. Once you locate it, click on Use Template. It's important not to forget the customization aspect. Adding columns for agenda items, action items, and assigning individuals can truly be a game changer. But don't just stop there. Consider adding columns for due dates or even detailed meeting notes. This can really elevate your meeting management game to the next level. Equally crucial is organizing your meetings efficiently. You can use groups to sort meetings by project or topic, which allows you to track agenda items and actions with greater ease. Clearly defining the meeting's objectives and agenda is also vital. It sets a clear purpose, keeping your team aligned and ensuring that every meeting is as productive as possible. For a seamless experience, take advantage of integrations for scheduling. Monday.com allows you to integrate with calendar apps like Google Calendar or Outlook, which means you can schedule your meetings directly within Monday.com. This ensures that nothing falls through the cracks, providing peace of mind and helping you maintain control over your schedule. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for successful and efficient meetings that save you both time and hassle. With Monday.com, everything you need to set up and run your meetings effectively is right at your fingertips, making team collaboration more productive than ever before. That's it. You're all set to manage your meetings efficiently on Monday.com. Dive in and explore the possibilities, confident that this streamlined approach will help you and your team achieve your goals with ease and effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and happy meeting organizing.